Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add animated text on CapCut PC for free. So I'm just going to add in a video here, and I'm just going to add in the default text, and I'm just going to type in airplane, and then you can also change like the font here. Then go to animation and select the animation you want to add to this. There's a bunch you can choose from. There's this glowing one, a starlight, blurry glow. And then you can also add in an out animation. So there are some pro features and some that are free. So just like the ones that are free like this one, there's also a loop one here as well. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can animate text on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!